Toto and Twins say hello to everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll start the lesson with rescue vehicles. Let's go!
Firefighting aircraft. Firefighting aircraft help spray water from above to extinguish fires in large and hard-to-reach areas. Rescue drone. Rescue drone. Rescue drones are unmanned aircraft that help find victims and bring rescue supplies to hard-to-reach places. Rescue helicopters. Rescue helicopters. Rescue helicopters are high-flying aircraft used to rescue people in emergency situations in places that vehicles cannot reach. Police car. Police car. Police cars are special vehicles that help police keep order and protect people from crime. They have loud sirens to clear the way. Police patrol bikes. Police patrol bikes. Police patrol bicycles are bicycles used by police to patrol and maintain city security. Police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. Super fast police motorcycle, chasing speeding cars. It can weave through traffic and arrive at the emergency scene very quickly. Fire truck. Fire truck. Fire trucks are vehicles that carry firefighters to the scene of a fire to spray water to extinguish the fire and rescue people. Police vans. Police vans. Police cars carry police officers and equipment to assist in emergency situations. They are larger than regular police cars and can carry more people or equipment. Police helicopters. Police helicopters. This police helicopter is used for criminal pursuit, traffic monitoring, and emergency assistance. Rescue vehicle. Rescue vehicle. Rescue vehicle. This vehicle carries specialized tools, stretchers, and protective equipment to assist in situations such as accidents, floods, or fires. Tow truck. Tow truck. A tow truck is a vehicle used to tow damaged or accident-damaged vehicles to a repair facility. Ladder truck. Ladder truck. Ladder fire truck is a specialized vehicle with a high ladder to rescue people on high-rise buildings when there is a fire and spray water from above. Van ambulance. Van ambulance. Van ambulances help transport patients to hospital quickly and safely. Air ambulance. Air ambulance. Air ambulances are special aircraft that carry sick or injured people to hospitals when road travel is too far. Rescue boats. Rescue boats. Rescue boats help rescue people from accidents at sea and bring them safely to shore. Wildfire truck. Wildfire truck. A wildfire truck is a special vehicle used to extinguish fires in forests and wilderness areas to protect nature. Snowblower truck. Snowblower truck. A snowblower truck is a vehicle that uses large rotating blades to clear heavy snow from the road when winter comes. Airport rescue truck. Airport rescue truck. Airport rescue vehicle is a special vehicle used to rescue aircraft when they have problems or accidents at the airport. Coast Guard cutter. Coast Guard cutter. Coast Guard patrol boats are vessels used to patrol the seas, rescue people in danger, and protect the coast from threats. Fireboat. Fireboat. Coast Guard patrol boats are vessels used to patrol the seas, rescue people in danger, and protect the coast from threats. SWAT rescue vehicle. The vehicle helps SWAT teams reach and rescue people in difficult situations such as floods or emergencies. Tactical EMS vehicle. Tactical EMS vehicles are special vehicles that help doctors and nurses get to people in dangerous situations quickly.